Can you increase your Snapchat friends limit? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking that how you can increase your Snapchat friends limit. So Snapchat officially has the friends limit around 5,000 users, and once you hit that, you won't be able to add more friends directly. But here is how you can do instead of increasing your friends limit. So here you can make sure that your Snapchat account is a public profile, and this will allow people to follow or subscribe you without being added as a friend. So and once people have subscribed instead of sending friend requests, there is no limit on subscribers. But if you want to add new friends manually, what you can do is remove inactive or old accounts to free up space. Just go to your chat section and simply select your friends from the list. And once you have selected that, go to their profile and tap on the three dots icon shown in the top right corner, and from the pop-up menu, you can simply tap on Manage Friendship and then tap on Remove Friend. And once you have removed them from your friend, you can add another person, and that's it. Technically there isn't a way to increase your Snapchat friends limit. So if you found a related videos in this topic, just know that it's totally waste of your time. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.